Join me in the studio and learn to paint this lovely romantic atmospheric beach scene. Lots of wet sand reflections, a dramatic sunset and some fantastic textures. You'll learn to do all of this and more in this video on demand watercolour workshop. The lesson behind this workshop is all about focus. One thing that will set your work apart from the masses is being able to establish a strong focal point in all of your paintings, and then learn how to direct your viewers' attention to these focal points effortlessly. It's a hugely important skill to learn, and this workshop will show you just some of the ways that you can do this effectively in your own work. The workshop is just under an hour long and takes you from a blank sheet of paper to a completed painting. Get lifetime access to this fantastic video on demand workshop today, online for just £25.